Aunt Jennifer's Tiger by Adrienne Rich. Aunt Jennifer's tigers branch across a screen, bright toppers denizens of a world of green. They do not fear the man beneath the tree, they pace in slick silveric certainty. Aunt Jennifer's fingers fluttering through her wool find even the ivory needle hard to pull. The massive weight of Uncle's wedding band sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. When Aunt is dead, her terrified hands will lie, still ringed with ordeals she was mastered by. The tigers in the panel that she made will go on prancing proud and unafraid.